Oh, hi everyone, it's Lee here. I'm just going to be showing you a video today. Well, actually, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer and then basically record the output from your phone onto your computer, and then it be into a video file ready for you to upload to YouTube or wherever else you would like to actually upload it to. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do that now and the various bits and pieces that you'll need to do it. Okay, so there's a few items that you're going to need, and they're all kind of essential to get this job done. So you're going to need an iPhone or iPad. In this case it's got the lightning connector. It's a 5S. But there is a similar setup that you can do also with the older iPhones and iPads. This part here is called a lightning digital AV adapter, and it's crucial for this. It's got a lightning connector on one end and then a HDMI output and also a charger port on there as well. The next piece of equipment, this is called an Elgato HD60, and it basically has two connections on it for a HDMI connection. So you've got a HDMI input and a HDMI output. Sorry, this is actually the output, and this is the HDMI input. And then what it also has is like a third kind of connector, which is a USB connector, and that is the connection you either transfer it off to your Mac or your computer, and that's basically where you're going to be recording from. So then we've just got a standard HDMI cable and then a HDMI cable plugged into the computer monitor. It's also worth pointing out just at this point is you don't actually need to plug it into the external monitor. You can just go from the phone to the adapter to the Elgato, and then you can actually record onto like a Mac or another computer. So you don't actually have to display it as you're recording it. You can just basically record it from the phone to the actual device. Okay, so I'm just going to plug everything in now. Sorry for the actual camera point of view, and then I'll just show you the actual recording process. So it's kind of hard to do this with just both hands. I'm just going to pop it down here a sec. So I'm just going to plug the adapter into the actual lightning port of the phone, and then we're going to plug in the adapter to this HDMI cable, and then into the Elgato HD60. We're also going to plug in the computer into the USB port. In this case we're actually plugging the Mac into it. That's what I'm going to be using for record, but you can use a computer as well. And then we've just got this other cable here, not sure if you can see that. We're just going to plug that in just to capture it on the monitor as well. And like I say, this one you don't actually need the actual external source. Okay, so that's it there. We've got the phone into the adapter, and that goes through to the HDMI cable and then into the Elgato HD60, and then there's a USB cable there which goes into the Mac, and then this one here is just going off to this computer screen there. Just the phone just keeps on going on standby. It's just flashing red now, just basically because the software is not actually running. You can just see it's just popped up on the computer monitor there. The phone keeps going standby again. Okay, so on the Mac now, this would be the actual device that I was intending on recording on. So you can just, with the Elgato products, you can download some free software with them. This one is called Game Capture HD. So we're just going to fire that up. So basically this device here is quite clever, and it can basically record any HDMI source, anything that you plug into it. So you can plug in an Xbox or PlayStation 4 or your PC games, and this combined with the software will record anything that you want. Okay, so this is the actual software on the Mac. So it's just gone off there, just because the phone basically just keeps on going off. Okay, so then it's on the monitor there, and then this is the actual recording software, the Game Capture recording software. So whatever's on your phone basically gets transmitted via USB, and then you just click on this button here and then it will start recording whatever you see. So it's quite good for capturing anything that actually goes onto your phone, and that's how you do it. You just record it on using this software. You can record it onto your Mac, but you can also get the same software for your PC. So for example, I wouldn't necessarily need to plug in this wire to the monitor. I could just plug in the USB cable to the PC computer, and I can record it just the same on there as well. So that's everything. If you've got any questions regarding the setup, then just drop a message in the comments area, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching. See ya.